How to sign up Nano Banana AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign up. First of all, go to the website name nanobanana.ai. So this website will pop up. Now here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here you'll be able to find the option called sign up. Simply tap on sign up. Now here there are different methods with which you can sign up. So the best one is continue with Google. Simply tap on continue with Google. Now select the account with which you want to log in. So simply select the one and after that it will automatically redirect you to the Nano Banana AI account. So here I am selecting one account. So after you do that, your username and everything will be connected and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.